In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly enter prepaid expenses in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing business finances, understanding how to handle prepaid expenses is essential. These are payments made for goods or services in advance, like insurance policies or software subscriptions. Tracking these correctly in QuickBooks Online ensures your financial reports are accurate and up to date. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to refine your accounting processes, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive in. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation menu, where you can access all the key areas of your account. Once you're there, click on Accounting from here. Navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find all the transactions associated with your linked bank accounts. Next, you want to carefully review the transactions listed and identify the payment that qualifies as a prepaid expense. For example, this could be an annual insurance premium or a subscription paid up front. Once you've located the payment, click on it to open and edit the transaction. Now that the transaction is open, it's time to confirm its details. Double-check the date, the amount paid, and the description to ensure everything is accurate. This step is important because any errors here could affect your financial records later on. Once the details are verified, assign the correct vendor or customer to the transaction. This helps maintain clarity in your records and ensures that all expenses are properly linked to the appropriate party. After assigning the vendor or customer, set the account category to prepaid expenses. This step is critical because it ensures the payment is classified correctly in your accounting system. Before moving forward, you'll need to verify that the prepaid expenses account exists in your chart of accounts. This is where all your categories for assets, liabilities, income, and expenses are listed. If the prepaid expenses account isn't already set up, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once everything is classified correctly, save the transaction. This ensures that the payment is recorded as a prepaid expense in QuickBooks Online. Now, it's time to recognize the expense on a schedule. The most common approach is to use journal entries, typically on a monthly basis for something like a one-year insurance policy. This allows you to gradually move the expense from the prepaid expenses account to the appropriate expense account as time passes. Each time you record a journal entry, you'll decrease the prepaid balance and increase the expense account in accordance with the terms of the agreement. For example, if you're spreading the cost of an annual policy over 12 months, you'll transfer 1/12 of the expense each month. Once you've completed this process, review your balance sheet here. You'll see the remaining prepaid balance, which should decrease over time as the expense is recognized. Finally, check your profit and loss statement. This report should show only the portion of the expense that has been recognized so far, keeping your financial records accurate and aligned with the actual usage of the service or product. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your prepaid expenses are managed properly in QuickBooks Online, giving you a clear and accurate picture of your finances at all times. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.